What happens if you never blink? At first, nothing. But after 15 seconds, your brain floods your eyes with tears. Without blinking, they just spill out instead of protecting your eye. After a minute, the tear film breaks down, exposing your cornea. An hour in, inflammation kicks in. Your eyes turn red, trying to stay moist. By 12 hours, dust and particles start scratching your eye like tiny blades. At 24 hours, your cornea swells. You'd be nearly blind. And bacteria begin to grow. A week later, it's severe. Infection, possible cornea rupture, even structural damage to the eye. Now imagine a modern scientist in the Stone Age. Day 1, you collect green rocks by a river. Day 3, you build a furnace and extract copper. Your first metal blade changes everything. Day 5, copper plates plus acidic juice. You create a spark, primitive electricity. Then a